Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn how to create bubble chart in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to create a bubble chart, so what you have to do here, you will see I have 10 country names and its GDP per capita, life expectancy and population and continent. Okay, so we will decide income. Okay, income GDP will be my x-axis, life expectancy will be my y-axis, and population will decide the size of the bubble, and continent will decide the color of the bubble. Okay, so first we want to graph this. Okay, represent these things, three tables. Okay, so you have to select these three tables, go to insert, and here you will see bubble option. Okay, here you will see scatter option, and here you will see bubble. There will be two types of bubble. First is 2D and second is 3D. So we are creating 2D, so just click on it, then you will see like this. Okay, now first we will sort out the x-axis area and y-axis area. Okay, so here you have to just one click here and then right click, then here you will see format axis. Okay, click on it. Now minimum value should be 0. Okay, and maximum value should be 70. So you can set all these things from here. Okay, now you will see like this. Now we will sort out the y-axis. Okay, here you will see lots of blank tables or blank cells. So to sort out that, you have to select it, then right click, go to format axis, and here minimum value should be 50. Okay, so you will see like this. Now we will label this x-axis and y-axis. So first what you have to do, just select the chart, then here you will see add chart element, then axis title. Okay, go to axis title. Now first from primary horizontal. Okay, now here you will see title. So here you have to enter. So this is my GDP per capita. Okay, so just type GDP per capita. Okay, then again go to add chart element, axis, and now primary vertical. Okay, so this is my life expectancy here. Okay, life expectancy in bracket here. Okay, now what you have to do, now if you want to change the bubble size, so what you have to do, just select it. Okay, then right click, go to format data series, and here you will see you can change the size of the bubbles. Okay, whether you want to area of the bubble or width of the bubble, you can choose like this. I want area of the bubble. Here you can scale the bubble size. If you set to the 50, you will see. Okay, if you set to the 150, the bubble size will be changed from here. Okay, I want it 100. Okay, now what you now we will label this. Okay, label this bubbles. Okay, with the name of the country. Okay, so what you have to do, now just select it, go to add chart element, then here you will see data label. Okay, go to center, in data label click on center. Okay, now it will show the life expectancy, but we want to represent it as a country name. So what you have to do, select this, again right click, data, format data label, and then here you will see value from cells option. Just click on value from cells. Okay, again here click on label data range. Now select the country name. Okay, like this, enter and click on OK. Now you will see this is the, now you will see the country name is appeared. Okay, now you have to just deselect this y value and show leader lines. Okay, then you can label the position, center, left, right, above, below, or you can also just like this, you can do like this. Okay, drag wherever you want to put it. I want to put it in the center. Okay, so like this you can do this. Okay, so choose like this. Now we will change the change the color of the bubble according to their continent. Okay, so I want to change the color, so what you have to do, you have to double click on the bubble. Okay, so if you single click on the bubble, you will see all the bubbles will be selected, but if you double click on the bubble, you will see only this bubble is selected. So now what you have to do, now here you will see this option, click on it, and here you will see format option. Okay, then fill shape. Okay, now I want to represent Asia as a red. Okay, so you can one by one choose this. Okay, so like this you can create the bubble plot or bubble chart in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.